Presenting the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, six-cylinder engine. The features include a panoramic sunroof, electric trunk, tow hitch, front tow hooks, auto-dimming mirrors, a spoiler, an alarm system, roof rails, keyless entry, power liftgate. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, digital radio, Sirius XM satellite radio, and auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, push button start. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.